Hey, what's up YouTube people? So another video on Action 5. I thought I'd do a quick demo on voice command on these cameras. So just going to show you guys how the voice command works, how to enable it. So yeah, let's crack into it. So it's Action 5. Let's just switch it on. So that's powered on. So if I say take photo, start recording, as you guys can see, it doesn't respond to anything because obviously it's all been switched off. So if we go into the settings, scroll down, and if you scroll down, it says voice control. It's set to English. So basically we just enable that, and if you scroll down, you've got option to see what commands we can use. So we've got start recording, stop recording, take photo, shut down. Oh. Look, that command just worked because I just forgot I just enabled it. So yeah, let's start it again. So yeah, as you can see on the top notification bar, we've got the icon on the top with the voice command enable. So if I say start recording, stop recording, take photo. As you guys can see, we don't have to change the settings. Automatically it changes itself to photo and takes a picture. So if I say start recording, so it picks up your last configured video settings and just starts recording. Stop recording. Let's see another command because I just want to try out if the camera shuts down. I want to see what happens. Can I re-enable it? Because normally when you press the button to stop recording, it automatically shuts the camera down within 3 seconds. So I don't know what setting I'm on. So let's just press the button and see what happens. Okay, it's gonna go off. So the camera is off now. Let's see if he listens to us and starts recording again. Start recording. Stop recording. Okay, so that doesn't work. So the camera has to be on to listen to your command. So let's try another thing. I've got a DJI mic, so let's just switch this on. So that's connected now. That should work same way. So take photo, start recording, stop recording, shut down camera. That should automatically go off because when the camera goes off, your Bluetooth goes off for your DJI mic. So obviously you have to switch the camera on to use the voice commands. But yeah, that's how it works. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and learned something new like I did. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.